everybody. I hope you are surviving the COVID-19 scare in good shape. My name is Bob Lashier, and I'm the president and one of the owners of LRI Graphics and Signs on Highway 141 in Grimes. I want to welcome you here today. Traditionally, we're out meeting with our customers and inviting them in to see demonstrations and see a tour of our facility. Obviously, with the way things are in the world today, that's not possible. So we thought it would be fun to give you a quick walkthrough of our facility to give you an idea of our capabilities in hopes that next time you're in the market for signs or graphics, that you'll give us a call. So let's go inside and I'll kind of show you what we can do. I want to just start by pointing out kind of our lobby and some of the things that we're doing here in our own facility. This obviously is our reception desk, and we've done some neat dimensional signage and graphics on our reception desk to really dress up our space and really promote our brand. So here you can see we put adhesive vinyl graphics on the front of our reception desk, along with cut dimensional letters that mount on the front of the adhesive vinyl to really give you a nice three-dimensional look and feel for your office. So really a neat way to dress up your lobby and your office space and help promote your brand. Some of the other things that we're doing just in the timely keeping up with the times is the sneeze and cough guards. We're doing a lot of these to help people stay safe, and so we're promoting these and selling these to a lot of facilities to help keep space between your people and your customers. So we've got sneeze guards and cough guards as well. We do large format prints on multiple different types of materials for presentations. A lot of cutouts again for Prairie Meadows. This is a cutout that we did for them, and we can do life-size, fathead type cutouts of any size and shape for you as well. We do a lot of neat things for our state universities. So for you Hawkeye fans, do a lot of work for them around their athletic facilities. This happens to be in their baseball complex, and this is windscreen that goes on their chain link fence around their baseball stadium. Really gives it a nice look. Iowa State University, this is Jack Trice Stadium and all the rebranding that we've done there. When they rebranded to Mid-American Energy Field, we did all of the branding inside Jack Trice Stadium, do a lot of work at Hilton Coliseum for Iowa State as well. And then just another example at Wells Fargo Arena. If you've ever frequented the Blue Moon Bar, when you're there for a concert, we did all the graphics at the Blue Moon Bar and the Coors Light Lounge in the Wells Fargo Arena Iowa Event Center. So some neat things like that. And again, our whole purpose for being here is really to help bring people's big ideas to life, to get massive exposure for your brands so that your customers get the experience, get the idea of what you're trying to promote. So that's really our specialty, and we built a whole facility here to help do that. So follow me back to our production area, and I'll show you why we are really different from any of the other companies out there doing this, and it's because of our size and the scope range of our capabilities. So come on, I'll show you our print shop. While we're on our way there, I'll stop and show you some unique things that we're doing. We can print on and cut on acrylic or multiple types of rigid materials. This happens to be an acrylic sign that we did for the Iowa High School Athletic Association, where we printed on acrylic and then cut out to the shape of the state of Iowa, which is their logo. So we can print on and cut to size and shape on rigid materials like acrylic, like glass, wood, metal, etc. This is an example here of a sign that we did for Lennox Industries. This happens to be Dave Lennox with one of his first furnaces. This is printed on acrylic, and this is an old photograph in sepia that we printed and did for their kind of a timeline in their lobby, so that they can tell a history of their company. And again, this is a picture of Dave Lennox here on acrylic, and really a neat look and feel for them. These are other pictures that we did for Lennox. This is kind of their first workforce back in the early 1900s in their first facility, first manufacturing plant in Marshalltown, Iowa. And again, it gave them a real neat feel for the history of their company. Last thing I want to show you here is just our ability to print on metal. This happens to be brushed aluminum. We had a customer that wanted to print a application that looked like a currency plate and for their conference room. And so we designed and printed a currency looking plate on brushed aluminum, and they put this in their conference room. But really, whatever ideas you have for your facility to promote your brand, etc., we can help you bring that to life. And these are just some examples of that. So come on, I'll show you our print facility. So we have a 4,000 square foot print facility here, state of the art, with all brand new equipment. Industry experts running this equipment for us and making sure that your applications come out beautiful. This is a latex printer, a latex HP 1500, which we're printing vehicle wraps on. And as you can see, the printer is moving back and forth across the vinyl and printing on it as it goes. So this is one of the fastest and biggest adhesive vinyl printers in the state. So this allows us to deliver, again, quick turnaround for your jobs and excellent quality for any adhesive vinyl and material like that. We also have our flatbed printer right here. It's a brand new UTEC 250 flatbed printer. And we use this to print on things like wood, acrylic, glass, metal, etc. And this can print on anything up to about an inch thick. This is an example of the kinds of things that we do on this printer. This is a real estate sign that we take care of a lot of our real estate companies in town, and you probably see these by the roadside all over the place. We print those right on this flatbed printer and then install them for our customers. We have full banner printing capabilities, and this is an example of banners we're printing for Iowa City West. We do these for schools and customers all over the state of Iowa, but we can print on cloth and fabric material for our customers, and then we sew, we grommet, and then you can put the banners up wherever you want them. So this is a neat application too. So the neat thing is we can print on so many different types of materials, and we've set our shop up to be able to answer the call and be able to serve our customers with many different types of applications. Back here we have the largest printer in the state of Iowa. This is a Scitex Solvent printer, and so this is printing on banners up to 16 feet wide. And so as you can see, again, the carriage is going back and forth across the material and printing on it. So we use this kind of printer for very large applications, things like baseball field windscreen that you see around like Kinnick Stadium or around baseball stadiums throughout Iowa. We use this for construction fence, for huge banners at the state fair, on the grandstand when you're at a concert. But anything that really requires huge printing, that's what we do here. And again, this is the largest printer in the state of Iowa. It prints on banners up to 16 feet wide. Go back here, and we have our CNC machine. And what this does is it cuts out and routes different types of jobs that we printed on the printers that we've just shown you. Now we go and we can cut out the letters, the numbers, all the different things that go into making a sign without having to do that manually. So again, very technology driven, and it really allows us to speed up the process and turn your jobs around quicker. So this is a brand new CNC machine, state of the art, and really has served us well and allowed us to take care of our customers really well. We walk right out then in our facility. We have our wrap bin, and so we print all of our vehicle wraps here in the print shop. We cut them out and cut them to shape and size on our CNC machine here, and then we bring them out to our wrap bay, and we have we're a 3M certified shop. We have 3M certified installers And today we're wrapping vehicle fleet for Homemakers Furniture, their delivery trucks. So their vehicle wrap is going to end up looking something like this. And so we've got that on the front of the truck, and Eric is getting the process started by putting the decals on their doors. But eventually this whole truck is going to be wrapped and will be very visible and very recognizable for homemakers when they're on the road all over the state of Iowa. So they have 24 of these, and we're wrapping all of them, and again, helping bring massive awareness and visibility to their brand. This is our new delivery vehicle, and I want to finish here because I think one of the reasons that we're big believers in branding and bringing your brand to life through graphics and signs is so important is because we've experienced it ourselves. As we've gotten more of our vehicles on the road, more of our graphics on our building, etc., it's really helped us promote our business, and we know it can do the same for you. So we believe this is a good investment. We already owned this truck and needed it for our business, but now to spend a little extra money to put a beautiful wrap on it and really bring our brand to life has been a great thing for our company, and we know it will be for yours too. So thank you for taking a little time to do a walkthrough. I hope you found it informational, and we appreciate your time. We would appreciate the opportunity to compete for your business the next time you're looking to help promote your brand through graphics and signs. So thanks so much.